coming to look at Kramer motorcycles, which are essentially Supermonos, which are custom built from the frame upwards using a lot of stock components from the KTM 690, but they're basically a race-ready kit bike, exactly what the class needs. The large problem with the Supermono class is they're all individually hand-built, where these are more productionised.
There's Markus Kramer himself.
I know.
So the talk has been all about Kramer today.
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah. So just trying to explain the concept of the bike, so we can do a short video and start.
So the standard, they come with one disc. Why do people come with two discs?
Because they can. Because they can, it's no problem.
It's a standard bike. Novelty is the seat.
Bike, let's say
The seat is actually the fuel tank. It's made of a very special material. You can actually see this one's been crashed, where the material will not break. It's a very, very special plastic used in enduro bikes. And the concept is now you have an airbox here instead of a normal tank. And the trellis frame, which is very similar to the KTM Moto 2 chassis. It's, let's say, the starter bike, with 80 horsepower, 120 kilograms, but ready to race, cost around about £15,000, which for me is a bargain. It's designed so if it's crashing, all these components are standard, so that it doesn't damage the frame. This will snap. The footrests are modular, same on the left and right hand side.
Let's say 90% of the
shroud here to protect the clocks. Even the steering stops are part of this, so it doesn't damage the frame in incidents or crashes.
It's
got the radial Brembo caliper.
Development and production bike, everything.
Really fantastic.
Keeps the standardisation.
Yeah, so we do development and assembly, but not welding the frames. And I think 95% of our supplies is KTM supplies, because I used to work for KTM in R&D, so all my network is, say, KTM suppliers, and they know what to do.
Yeah.
We'll make brings the price down a lot, and makes it a lot easier for production in higher quantities. This is still a lot of. This is just a standard instrument from the 690 engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean the force is so light because the clutch is a bit trick. It's not like a standard snipper clutch. They also have a mechanism that closes the clutch when you're on throttle.
Oh, it tightens the clutch up.
Yeah, so you have the springs plus the mechanical pressure. And this is why you can have soft
proper performance.
And then you have softer springs because you also have the mechanical grip. It is rotor molded.
So that's the fitment. Taco, lock stops.
Yeah.
That's clever, isn't it?
Left timer. We also have here for data recording if you want, and switches socket. Yeah.
It's ready to go. Now, how's it actually attached?
Here. It's not drilled here, but here's a position for drilling it.
Oh, it's long, but so on there's a tube.
Yeah, a little bar on the frame.
Right, okay. And they're good for the impact that this will snap off, not damage the frame.
No. So this will not crack. It's also the same material as the fuel tank. It's cross-linked PE. So it will
very tough.
It will deform. It's very.
It can deform.
It can deform. It will not crack. It will deform.
Absorbs the shock.
Front holder, second contact on this plastic part.
Right.
Protection.
It's a Supermono GP bike.